This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jangkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
The life of a normal high school student. You were a student who always paid attention to all lessons and tried to do whatever you could study, graduate, get a job and support your parents. Until one day, some students started harassing you and no one defended you except Jae Jungkook, the student who was known to be this emotional-less guy, but in reality, he was not like that. Jungkook always cared for you, and ever since then, you became close. You loved each other, but never confessed. But you were the first to confess to him. You told him all your feelings after an argument broke out between you, but because he didn't expect this, he remained silent at the moment, and you thought he didn't love you. You felt hurt and frustrated and walked away from there. After a few days, Jungkook began looking for you at school to tell you about his feelings as well. But he didn't come to school that day. He waited. But over time, he found out that you had been in a car accident that led to your death. His biggest regret in life was that he couldn't tell you what he wanted. He couldn't let you know that he loved you too. He was unable to recover. Even after years had passed since that day, he kept photo of you in your school uniform with him. Even when he became a husband and a father, Jungkook woke up feeling a strange feeling in his heart when he discovered that he was in his old house where he lived in high school. He was completely shocked, and given the date was the year he was still alive. He went back in time. He had one chance. He couldn't comprehend this. He quickly left his house towards your house. All the way, he felt like it was a dream, and he couldn't believe that anything had happened. And this happened. He felt that the world around him became brighter. He parked his bike next to your house and walked quietly to knock on your door with an expectant and anxious look. He felt very excited to see your face again. Then he knocked once, twice, 3 times hard enough. His hand shook. When the door finally opened, it was your mother. Your mother. Jungkook, is everything okay? Jungkook, is she Ryan home? Please. I need to see her. Your mother blinked. Her details started by the urgency in his voice, but nodded gently. Your mother, she's upstairs. She just came back from the library. He didn't wait. He whispered a thank you and rushed past her. His heart roaring like a hurricane inside his chest. And when he reached your bedroom door, he stopped. For a second, he closed his eyes, trying to study the tremor in his hands. Then he knocked. You, come in. He opened the door, and there you were, sitting cross-legged on your bed, a textbook open in your lap, and looked up, startled at first and puzzled. But all he could do was stare at you, at the face you thought he would never see again, the one that haunted every dream. His eyes blurred. He tried to blink the tears. He couldn't speak for a moment, couldn't breathe. You frowned, closing the book slowly. You, Jungkook, are you okay? What's wrong? Jungkook, God, you are really here. He shifted nervously, confusion, freezing. Yeah, bro. You, of course I'm here. You're acting weird. Did something happen? He swallowed hard, forcing himself to look at you fully, memorizing every detail. Your soft hair, the gentle line of your jaw, the little necklace you always wore, the one he had held in his hands after he died. Jungkook, I thought I would never get to see you again. Your face softened, but your eyes started away, shy and a little sad, as if you were remembering the last time you spoke, the argument, the confusion you thought he would rejected you. If this is about what I said, you don't have to feel bad. I know it must have been a lot. I shouldn't have. I don't know. I dumped that all on you. I'm sorry. Jungkook, no, don't ever apologize for that. He took a shaky step closer. He stared up at him, wide-eyed. He looked like he was fighting an invisible storm inside him. Jungkook, I didn't answer you because I was stupid, because I had never felt something so huge, so terrifying. And instead of telling you how much I loved you, I shut down. Your lips parted, a small weight escaping. He kept going, voice trembling but certain. Jungkook, and then you were gone. Before I could fix it, before I could tell you that every single day since the first time you smiled at me, I was yours. Your eyes shimmered with tears. Your hand lifted to your mouth. You, Jungkook? Jungkook, I wasted so many years wishing I could go back just once to tell you everything. I was too scared to say it. He closed the distance between you, sank to his knees in front of you, where you sat on the edge of your bed, his head bowed, voice raw. Jungkook, I don't know how this is possible. I don't know if I'm dreaming, but I swear I'm not going to lose you again. Your tears fell, then sad and silent. He touched his hair, his cheek, like you were trying to prove he was real too. You, what are you talking about? What are you saying all this like it's a goodbye? He looked up at you, eyes flooded with so much pain and love. It made your heart squeeze.
हैरान हूँ कि कुछ भी न मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो। ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो, जो तुम मेरे हो। तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं। तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में, और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही हैं। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे, जो तुम मेरे हो। मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ। देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है। और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद। मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है। और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है। पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है। चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगू ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो। में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। तेरे साथ साथ ऐसा कोई नूर आया है। चांद तेरी रोशनी का हल्का सा एक साया है। तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया था हश्र, असर ये हुआ। अब इनमें ही डूब के हो जाऊं पार, यही है आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया, ओ तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लइया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। कुछ दिन मेरे यार पुराने की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया। तेरे नहीं क्यों होश ठिकाने, की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया। कमरे में तेरे तारीख से दी
बात जरा सी है, बात समझ बंदया, कुछ देर ही बाकी है। रख यकीन से बादल आज हट जाएगा, चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदया चल के आएगा।
इश्क की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था, है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर। कहीं पे हो रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे, आवाज़ रही साथ मेरे, ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा, आँखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह, ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
मेरे रिश्ते का मैं तूने पहली नजर, जब नजर से